Okay, so we are on day 7. What do you notice about this base? What? It's a triangle. Now, if our base was anything like, say, a square or a rectangle, what could I do if I'm looking for volume?
Times everything.
Times everything. The problem is, when it's a triangle, I cannot do that. Stop. Now, you're like, but Miss Garrett, this base is a square, right? No, it's not. Remember, your prisms are named by their bases, which means, what is that base? It's a triangle, which means I'm going to have to do the big B, which means this formula that's on your formula chart, you're actually going to have to use it. Now, because it is a triangle, what is the area of a triangle's formula? A equals what? One half what?
Half times
Base times height.
yeah, I knew that.
Now, remember, this big B is the same thing as A. That means when I put in my nice little formula, I'm going to do my volume is equal to big B, which is 1/2 base times height, times my second height. Now, a suggestion. Redraw your base. And label your base. Now, is that 10 on any part of this base?
Yeah. Oh. No.
Mm-mm. Because this 10 goes with that, which is not on our base. That's the reason why I didn't put 10 right here. We don't actually know what that number is. We do know from previous years that this number has got to be bigger than both 22 and 5. Because your hypotenuse is always your longest side. So, that means what's my base of my triangle? Base, height, what's my base?
5.
It's 5. Say it loud, say it proud. And then what's my height? 22. What's the only number not on that triangle? 10. So now I'm going to just do 22 times 5. $110 divided by 2. And then do 55 times 10. And then that is my base. And that is my lovely...
Wait, why do you...
Why do I what? Because of the 1/2. The formula, 1/2 base times height, because it's a triangle. That's only when we have a pyramid, and that's only if our base is a square or a rectangle. Otherwise, we actually have to use the big B. All right, what other one do y'all want to see today? I'm hearing top right. All right. What is your base shape? Triangle. And what is the formula for the area of a triangle? A equals what? 1/2 BH. Remember, that A is the same thing as big B. So when I do this, I'm really doing this. If I color in my nice little triangle, what is the base of the triangle? 12. What's the height of the triangle? I was going to say, I don't see a 15. Where'd you get a 15? All right, and what's the only number we have not used that's not on the triangle? 6. Because when I color in this triangle, I see 12, 5, and 13 are all touching it. Y'all good with that? This 6 is talking about this length, which would be your square. All right, 12 times 5 is 60. Half of 60, which would be 30. So 30 times 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Tack on a 0. I have 180 foot cubed. All right, any questions? How are we doing today? Okay, I'm fixing to put in your nice little exam spark for today. When y'all are finished, your blue is about to go bye-bye. Sorry to tell you, but it is. I did not grade over the weekend, so y'all had a little bit of extra time if you were actually to work this weekend to put it in. If you didn't, I'm sorry. I did give you the extra time. I also gave you the extra time to finish up anything 1 through 5 or 2 through 5 related. All right, your stuff is posted. If you need anything, let me know. Otherwise, once you're done, work on anything else. Once you're done with this one and you have everything else done, your name goes green, you can talk.